back to the channel. So today we have another wig that comes to us from Sam's Beauty. Yay! This is from the Stylist. I've already reviewed the other wig in this line, so I will have it somewhere linked. I end up getting 2 out of this line. Now there seems to be, 4 wigs that's in this line: Bella, Selena, Nisha, and Athena. So the 2 that I have is going to be Bella and I think Athena. So like I said, I will leave in description box below the other wig. So this is the box that it comes in. Is from, like I said, the Stylist. This one here is it says that the lace is brown HD lace, which is really nice because the lace is tinted. I do like that the lace is brown for me. I don't know how brown it is. If it's like the other one was, it's going to be really nice. I can already tell you I like the romance curls. So let's just get into it. Look at the curls that's in this. These curls are so pretty. That is that parting area that's already in here, but it is a 13 by 6, so you do not have to commit to that parting area or that part. You do get shorter hairs in the front if you want to do some baby hairs. This wig is beautiful. The last wig I reviewed was beautiful by them as well. And this one is really pretty, guys. Okay, you guys, so this is pretty much final look for this wig, and it's really a pretty wig. I do like it. So like I said, this wig comes to us from Sam's Beauty, and it is from the Stylist. So the name of it is Bella, and she is really pretty. It's an invisible lace. What I do like about this is that it says that it has a brown HD lace. So the lace is tinted. I'm going to get up close on it for you guys. Just want to read all the specs. It says that it's a 13 by 6 pre-plucked. The pre-plucked, it is pretty pre-plucked around the hairline. And it says that it has a human hair mix, so it must be like a blend or a hybrid. This is how it looks on the model. And I was trying to get it like that. I like the left side part. You can do a left, right, or middle, obviously, or you can pull it up since it is a 13 by 6. So let me just stand a little bit so you guys can like kind of see all the hair to the front. But this is how it looks, and it's just really pretty. All these curls that come into the bottom is really nice. It's just gorgeous. So let me give you a close-up. This is the hairline. And around the front, you get a lot of hair in with this wig, so that is a good thing. Hairline, I didn't put powder in it. I didn't do anything to this, you guys. This is just how it looks. The curls are really full. This hair is really, really long. I didn't spray it down. I just put a little spray on this side to kind of push it back. All in all, I think the wig is really cute. I do want you guys to get a good look at it. Now this bang right here, it like comes, I don't know, kind of weird. You see how it kind of flops a little bit like that? So you can go in with a little bit of heat if you want to change up the bang or something like that. It's going that way, but if you like want to push it back or something, you know, like to make it frame your face like that, you can. Again, it is a 13 by 6, so you can like part it on either side. I'm going to go ahead and give you guys like a 360 real quick in case I have not. And as you can see, those curls, they're really pretty. It's really long. It comes all the way down. So it's really, really long. I love it. Cap construction is very, very, very comfortable. You do get your 2 combs on the side. The cap's pretty big. I did have to go in and I had to put on my wig grip. The ear tabs come down very long, so no need to fear. This wig does go ear to ear as far as the lace is concerned. The lace is really nice. I did not have to tint it. Wanted to show you guys. That's how much I had to cut off on the ear tabs. I did have to cut off quite a bit. I just did it on the one. This one here, I kind of left it. You see, I didn't cut that one off. I just laid it down because I wanted it to be a throw and go. But all in all, this one's pretty. Now the last one I glued down, but this one here I didn't want to glue down, and you don't really have to. You can kind of throw it on and just work with this parting area over here. The only cons that I really experienced with this was it does tangle, but you're gonna get that because it's long, and I did get a little bit of shedding, and that could be because of the cutting the lace. But it did shed like a little bit, but I mean that's expected. Other than that, it's a solid wig, you guys. It's another solid wig. Cute, cute, cute. So if you guys are interested in picking it up, I'm going to leave the information below for you to go over to Sam's Beauty website to pick it up. Thanks again to them for working with me this week. I appreciate you guys. We all love Sam's Beauty. If you guys have not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Returning subscribers and YouTube babes, thank y'all so much for catching the video today. And if you guys decide to share this video or any of my videos on your social media platform, don't forget to tag me in it. Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or TikTok. The name is Beautybymark. I will see you ladies and gentlemen in my next video. Bye.